In this tutorial, you will learn how to use URL matching operators. URL matching operators enable you to deliver ads on the right URLs. There are 4 different URL matching operators: broad domain, partial match, exact match, advanced URL targeting. With broad domain, an ad will be delivered if a user visits the domain or any URL of that domain. Let's take an example. I'm adding a broad domain, title.com. Since we added title.com as a broad domain, an ad will be delivered when a user visits any URL from title.com. With partial match, an ad will be delivered when a user visits the entered URL. An ad will also be delivered if the URL has additional directories or parameters. With exact match, an ad will be delivered when the exact URL is visited. Advanced URL targeting enables you to target a large volume of URLs without having to add a large list of URLs manually. By using the plus symbol in front of words, you can deliver ads on thousands of URLs that contain the words provided. You can also use the minus symbol to exclude any URLs that contain specific words you don't want to target. Let's take an example. Imagine you are selling cat litter and you want to reach an audience interested in cat litter products. However, you want to exclude users looking for different products such as cat litter boxes. To reach the right audience, you can simply add cat litter related words and exclude any words related to litter boxes. You can also use advanced URL targeting with a specific domain to target URLs from that domain only. And that's all. Simple, but very powerful. URL matching operators are very important and should always be used in your URL or hybrid targeting campaigns. Make sure you apply them correctly to reach the right users on the right URLs at the right time to maximize your conversions. Thanks for watching and have a great day.